This plant takes up to 7 years to grow, yet most people have no idea how it becomes one of the world's fastest growing spirits.
Every bottle of mezcal and tequila begins with skilled hands, hard labor, and generations of tradition.
This heart of the agave is where everything starts. Flavor, fire, and fortune.
From underground fire pits to high-tech factories, the same plant creates two very different spirits.
So why does tequila dominate the global market, while mezcal struggles to reward the people who make it? This ancient process hasn't changed for hundreds of years, yet the money around it has.
One is handcrafted in small villages, the other is engineered for mass production.
Together, these spirits generate billions of dollars every year.
But here's the real question. If mezcal is exploding in popularity, why aren't the producers getting rich?
Everything begins the same way it has for centuries, wheeler, with manual cutting, skill, and experience.
What remains is the piña en femme, the heart of the agave tharham, packed with natural sugars.
This slow roasting process creates mezcal's signature smoky flavor. For mezcal, the agave is cooked underground, morna, a method untouched by modern machines.
Once roasted, the agave is crushed to extract its sweet juices, flavor, all by traditional methods.
The journey begins in the agave fields, where every plant is harvested entirely by hand.
Each cut requires precision, strength, and years of experience.
One wrong cut can damage the agave heart and reduce its quality. What remains is the piña, the heart of the agave, and the foundation of mezcal and tequila. Once cut, the agave hearts are gathered immediately to prevent quality loss. Each piña can weigh over 100 pounds, making teamwork essential. The harvested agave is loaded by hand, just as it has been for generations. Proper handling during transport protects the agave before processing begins. Mezcal's character is created underground, where heat and smoke do the real work.
These stones are heated for hours, storing intense energy for the roast.
The agave hearts are layered directly over the hot stones. The pit is sealed, trapping heat and smoke inside for days. Even with stone tools, human skill guides every step.
After crushing, the agave is moved to the next stage, uspruled, fermentation.
This step requires constant human control and physical effort.
A heavy stone wheel is then used to crush the agave and the traditional way. Once crushed, the agave mash is prepared for fermentation.
After roasting, the agave is manually mixed to prepare it for crushing.
The fibers are kept intact, preserving flavor and structure.
After crushing, the agave is moved by hand into fermentation vats. Unlike industrial spirits, mezcal ferments in open containers.
Water is added to activate natural fermentation.
After fermentation, the liquid is ready for distillation.
The fermented mash is transferred by hand into the still.
Heat is applied slowly to separate alcohol from the mash. Alcohol vapor condenses and flows out as mezcal.
The mezcal is collected and prepared for final refinement.
After distillation, the mezcal is left to rest and stabilize. Producers carefully check clarity and consistency by hand.
Each bottle is filled manually, one at a time.
The bottles are sealed by hand to preserve quality.
This is handcrafted Mezcal 12, ready to leave the village.